What's up, everybody? Trippin Ain't Easy here, back with another vlog. We're here at Baker's Crust, a nice little local spot. They got some good brunch. We've been to the one out off Alaskan Road. We're out in Norfolk today. We're going to try this one out. It is a beautiful spring day, as you guys can see. Spring is here. Nice temperature, almost 80 degrees, not a cloud in the sky, nice and blue. We're going to go in here and try some good eats. So follow us.
Good evening, how are we doing?
How's it going?
Good, thank you. My name is Markarius. Welcome to Baker's Crust. To get you started, can we get any appetizers? Have we been here before?
We've been to the one in Alaskan for brunch, but not
Okay.
this one.
Alright, well then you know how we work here with our Neapolitan pizzas, our grass-fed beef.
Not really, to be honest.
Okay, well,
yeah, we just had brunch over there at that one time.
We're a locally sourced restaurant. We have a hydroponic farm where we like to grow almost all of our salad that isn't arugula.
Fancy.
And then all of our beef is New Zealand grass-fed beef. And then right back there we have an actual Neapolitan stone wood fire oven, which is really good.
Awesome.
Do we know how menus work? You can either scan it or I can get you a paper menu.
Paper would be cool.
Alright, sure.
That way I can film it. Thank you, sir.
And then to start with the drink, do we just want to grab some waters and look at the menu for a minute? Or
Can I get a soda water, please?
one more time?
Do you have soda water?
Yes, ma'am. Seltzer? Yep.
I'll take an unsweet.
Unsweet
And I think this is your cocktail menu, right?
I believe so.
Thank you.
Alright, I'll grab those drinks.
Have an old fashioned. Yeah.
Do we have any questions?
Not so far. I'd actually would just like to grab the old fashioned.
The old fashioned?
Yeah.
Put that in the box.
So you guys saw the menu, they got farm to table, and I don't know if you guys heard him. He says they have a hydroponic farm. Apparently they source their salads from. So that's pretty neat. But menu, lots of stuff, sandwiches, salad, soups. They got pizza. You see they got the wood fire pizza there. We'll get some B-roll of that later when we kind of walk around the restaurant and take a look at it. They've got burgers, they've got regular entrees, they even have tacos. They got chicken and waffles. That's usually my favorite when we do brunch, but we're not doing brunch today, so I probably won't be getting that. So I guess the wife has decided on the fish and chips. We'll see what happens when the waiter comes to take our order. If she suddenly changes it. Sometimes that happens. She'll be like, I like this, and the waiter comes, yeah, I have this. Well, they have bolognese. You like bolognese. So the interior is pretty cool. It's a little rustic. Lots of wood paneling and twine. And they have a small outside area out there as well. They do breakfast, they do lunch, they do dinner. They got everything.
Still needs a minute for that. I was going to wait, but
It's all good, man. If I was in a hurry, I'd go to McDonald's.
I'll understand it. Do we know anything about appetizers, or do we just want to
Let's do the Tavern Chips.
Okay, great recommendation. Love it. It's the only one I've had, so I love it.
You hear that, guys? I made a great recommendation.
And then, do we still want to take some more time to figure out what we're doing for our main course?
I mean, do you want to order now? Go ahead, if you want to order now, you can order.
Can I get the fish and chips, please?
Fish and chips? Sure.
Or can I get the milk stout nitrate? The milk stout nitrate.
The left-hand milk stout.
Gotcha. And for you, sir?
I'm going to do the Smoky Bacon Burger.
Okay, and we usually cook that well done just because the burgers are so thin it's hard to get it any other temperature than that. Are you alright with that?
Yeah, that's fine.
And it comes with fries, and you're good with that as well?
Yep.
Awesome. So this will be a burger with the fries, the fish and chips, and then the left-hand stout nitro. There you are. You're welcome. And there you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes. Trying to be anyway.
Oh, what's What's your channel?
Trippin Ain't Easy, all one word.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. Here's the old fashioned. This is the BC old fashioned, the Baker's Crust old fashioned. Very colorful. And then the wife got the left hand milk stout. Nitro. Ooh. Fancy. There. So these are the, what are these? Hold on, let me flip the menu over. These are the Tavern Chips. I forgot what I ordered, but yep, these are the Tavern Chips. They look pretty good. I'm not putting them in front of me like I'm eating them. There you go. Look at the size of that chip. There's the Fips and Chips.
And there's the Smoky. Did we need anything else at the moment?
Should be good to go.
Alright, I'll check on you.
Here we have some fish and chips. Lovely fish and chips. Here we got the burger. What was this thing called again? The smoky bacon burger. Got all kind of stuff on there. We got pickles, bacon, cheese. And we got some french fries. Film an outro, but we realized that we got a phone call while we were filming and it didn't actually film it. So here's the outro in our kitchen. Again, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Hit that bell notification, hit the like button, leave us a comment. If you're local, there's another spot you guys want to check out, let us know down in the comments below, and we'll see if we can fit it in and check it out. Hope you guys like the content. And as always, tripping ain't easy, but it sure is fun.